Hello everyone, I am your host Happy Bird and we are joined on get.com. Today my topic is Get Live bonus task, uh, NAS Lab, NAS Sport Trading and Launch Holder Airdrop. Okay guys, thank you everyone who joined the live stream and also follow me. Like, share and follow my stream. Okay guys, और आज हम प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं. Okay guys, so start करते हैं. Get to list niche lab NES, sport trading and launch holder airdrop 225 here UTC. Get will list NES lab NES for sport trading and launch holder airdrop hash 324 USD. Users holding at least 1 GT can share 750,000 NES tokens for free. The holder airdrop is exclusively for GT holders after the NASLab NAS airdrop con, uh, con, consolidates. No funds will be deducted from participants. Okay, guys, join now. Airdrop details. Holders airdrop ending time December 3 200. थैंक यू मुझे फॉलो करने का थैंक यू. डिक्रॉन ज्वाइंस थैंक यू. Ending time December 3 225 here 7 UTC. Total supply 7 lakh 50,000 NES. Unlocking rule unlock 100 percentage. Trading starts December 3 225 here 8 UTC. Okay guys. Trading pair NAS USD. Thank you everyone who joined the live stream and also follow me. Like, share and follow my stream. Okay guys. Thank you everyone. Thank you. मुझे ज्वाइन करने का आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत गाइस शुक्रिया. Okay guys. Participation rules. Complete identity verification and hold at least 1 GT to share the total reward pool based on your GT holdings. Snapshot proportion for this event. The participation limit for VIP 4 users in 200 GT, while VIP 10 and above users may enjoy unlimited participations codes. Okay guys, thank you everyone. Thank you मुझे ज्वाइन करने का. Exclusive participations limit boost for VIP users. VIP 5 and above users can enjoy increased participations limits in the holder drop with the highest tier offering no upper limit on participations. Okay guys. VIP tier maximum GT participations amount be per user VIP 0, VIP 4, 200 2000 GT, VIP 5, 3000 GT positive 50 percentage, VIP 6, 4000 GT positive 100 percentage, VIP 7, VIP 7 5200 GT positive 160 percentage, VIP 8 6800 GT positive 240 percentage. VIP 9 9000 GT positive 350 percentage. VIP 10 inactive. VIP 14 unlimited. Okay guys. Thank you everyone who joined the live stream and also follow me. Like, share and follow my stream. Okay guys. Thank you everyone. Thank you मुझे ज्वाइन करने का आप लोगों का guys बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Okay guys. Like, share and follow my stream. ओके गाइस, थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू मुझे ज्वाइन करने का आप लोगों का गाइस बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। ओके गाइस, आप लोगों ने कहीं नहीं जाना, मैं आप लोगों के लिए रेड पैकेट लगा रही हूँ। और थैंक यू मुझे ज्वाइन करने का आप लोगों का गाइस बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। ओके एवरीवन, लाइक शेयर एंड फॉलो माय स्ट्रीम। ओके गाइस, थैंक यू मुझे ज्वाइन करने का। और जो लोग न्यू हैं उन्हें वेलकम माय लाइव स्ट्रीम, वेलकम माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। ओके गाइस, तो गाइस आगे चलते हैं। हाउ टू क्लेम द एयर ड्रॉप, लॉक इन कंप्लीट आइडेंटिटी वेरिफिकेशन, अर्न होल्डर एयर ड्रॉप, ब्लाइंड क्रिप्टो मेमा। हेलो, हाउ आर यू? आई एम फाइन। ओके, थैंक्स, वेलकम माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। ओके गाइस, थैंक यू मेरी स्ट्रीम में आने का आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। थैंक यू। ओके गाइस, थैंक यू मुझे ज्वाइन करने का। ओके गाइस, थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू। थैंक्स अ लॉट। आप कैसी हैं? ब्लाइंड क्रिप्टो मामा, आप कैसी हैं? ओके गाइस, थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू एंड वेलकम। जो लोग न्यू हैं मेरी स्ट्रीम में उन्हें वेलकम माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। ओके गाइस, लॉग इन कंप्लीट आइडेंटिटी वेरिफिकेशन, अर्न होल्डन एयर ड्रॉप, होल्ड at least 1 GT, click down, join now, holder airdrop packs. Okay guys, about Nest Lab. Nest Lab is an innovative wolf। थैंक यू माय लाइव स्ट्रीम ज्वाइन करने का। और वेलकम माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। ओके गाइस, थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू। Lab is an innovative platform designed to advance the information economy, economy by enabling meaningful connections, collaborations, and knowledge sharing among users. At the core of the ecosystem is the NAS token, a blockchain-based digital assets that power participations and value exchange across the platform. NAS platform net. Lab incentivizes community contributions such as content creations, insights, and support through a dynamic reward systems and recognize and compensates active engagement with additional tools including expert networks, mentorship programs, and crowdfunding mechanisms. NASLab fosters an environment where projects can grow and individuals. ओके गाइस, थैंक यू ज्वाइन करने का आप लोगों का गाइस बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। कैन थ्रिव Its community driving governance, insurance, inclusivity, and shared designs, making for sustainable platform developments. Token name NASLab, token symbol NAS max supply 5 5000000. Token type MATIC, token ID HTTPS, Polygon scan com token OX6E AEA 1ED 457E 1658C FCEEE7 and 34E621844C3B of C. Okay, guys. Token distributions, ratio, and unlocking rules. IEO 0.5 percentage, 100 percentage in lock at Tigi cells, 8 percentage, 0 percentage unlock at Tigi 6-month clef linear vesting over 24 hours months. Marketing 3.5 percentage, 8.33 percentage in lock at Tigi no cliff liner visiting over 12 months. Okay, guys. Treasury 10 percentage, 0 percentage unlock at Piggy 24 hours months, 24 months cliff linear vesting over 60 months. Liquidity 4 percentage, 4.17 percentage unlock at Piggy no cliff linear vesting over 24 4 months. Partner 5 percentage, 0 percentage in lock at Tiggy 12-month cliff liner vesting over 36 months. Team 20 percentage, 0 percentage unlock at Tiggy 18 months cliff liner vesting over 48 months. Advisor 4 percentage, 0 percentage in lock at Tiggy 12 months cliff liner vesting over 36 months. Ecosystem 20 percentage, 1.67 percentage in lock at Tiggy no cliff liner uh, vesting vesting over 60 months. Community 25 percentage, 0 percentage in lock unlock at Tiggy 9 months cliff liner vesting over 60 months. Website https www.naslab.io. White paper https naslab gitbook.io naslab. Okay guys, thank you everyone मुझे ज्वाइन करने का. Okay guys, भाई ने सवाल किया है, should we hold or sell? भाई hold. ओके गाइस, थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू मुझे ज्वाइन करने का आप लोगों का. गाइस बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मुझे ज्वाइन करने का. ओके गाइस, थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू. Okay guys, thank you everyone who joined the live stream and also follow me. Like, share and follow my stream. Okay guys. GitLab's investment disclosure. GitLab did not invest in NASLab NAS nodes. Get token GT is the unique exchange token of the Get exchange and the native token to the uh, Get chain. Public chain hold GT now HTTPS www.get.com trade GT USDT. Okay, guys. Two, please complete identity verification before participating in startup to enhance the security of your account and assess this. 3. Okay, guys. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. 3. Please adhere to the relevant rules of the event. Rules of the event when participating any cheating behavior is prohibited and occurrence of any dishonesty will result in the disqualification of the rewards. 4. Where any discrepancy areas between the translated and original English version, the English version shall prevail. 5. Gate reverses uh, res- reserves all rights to the final explanation. 6. User in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services, including participating in this event, game, or competition. See the user agreement for further details on distributed locations. Risk warning. The Holder Airdrop. 1. The Holder Airdrop project is a blockchain startup and is still in its early stage. The project operation underlying technology and legal environment may pose significant risks to the project team does not guarantee that the token price will not lower than its sale price. Please invest with caution and do not invest beyond your finance capacity. Thank, thank you everyone who joined the live stream and also like, share and follow my stream. ओके गाइस, थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू मुझे ज्वाइन करने का आप लोगों का गाइस, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोगों ने मुझे ज्वाइन किया और जो लोग न्यू हैं उन्हें वेलकम माय लाइव स्ट्रीम. ओके गाइस. 5. The market volatility is high and the price of a token might fluctuate drastically due to the technical, regulatory, and market factors. Okay, guys. Get team November 28, 225 here. Get fair to crypto trade over 4,100 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly and easily on Get token. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to dollar 10,000 in Falcom rewards. Invite friends and earn a 40 percentage commission. Stay connected. Visit Get official website. Download the Get app desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bounces. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insights. Okay, transparency and security check cover 100% proof of reserves. Okay, guys. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Oh, guys, thank you, everyone who joined the live stream and also follow me. Like, share, and follow my stream. Okay, guys. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Like, share, and follow my stream. Okay, guys. Nest ongoing VIP. NestLab is an innovative platform designed to advance the information economy by enabling meaningful connections, collaboration, and knowledge sharing among users. At the core of the ecosystem is the Nest token, a blockchain-based digital asset that powers participation and value engage exchange across the platform. NestLab incentives community contributions such as content creation, insights, and support through a dynamic reward systems that recognizes and compensates active engagement with additional tools including expert networks, mentorship programs, and crowdfunding mechanisms. NASLab fosters an environment where projects can grow and NGOs can thrive. Okay, guys. Its community driving governance, insurance, inclusivity, and shared design, making for sustainable platform development. Okay, guys. Founder Chen Li is the founder and CEO of NestLab and uh, seasoned inter- entrepreneur in the blockchain and digital assets industry with deep expertise in product strategy, exchange operations, and data driven ecosystem development. He focuses on building platforms that enhance investor access to high quality crypto intelligence. 7 has lead multiply active initiatives across trading, analytics, and community infrastructure, establishing strong presences in the global digital assets and escape. He is community infrastructure, establishing a strong presence in the global digital assets and escapes. He is also actively involved in shaping users centric services for emerging markets. Under his leadership, NASLab continues to develop innovative solutions that connect information technology and market participations. थैंक यू रोहन मुझे ज्वाइन करने का और मुझे फॉलो करने का एवरीवन थैंक यू ओके गाइस और मेरे रेड पैकेट ओपन होने में कुछ सेकंड हैं प्लीज जल्दी से मुझे लाइक प्रोडक्ट project futures connection driven ecosystem designed to build meaningful links across the information economy. Rewards incentivized engagement. Users earn NAS tokens for contributions, collaboration, and community support. Trans- Transparent and secure blockchain-based transactions ensure trust, security, and transparency. Robust support tools, assist experts, mentorship, and funding for project development, community governances. Token holders participates in decision making and platform evolution. External utility NAS tokens can be traded outside the platform, expanding real world value opportunities. Opportunities. Token economics. The NAS token functions at the as the core utility asset for rewards, governance, and value exchange. Within NASLab, users earn tokens by contributing contents and engaging with the community, while token holders influences platform decisions. Token can also be traded externally, exchanging their economic utility. Technical overview: the NAS token is built on the ERC20 standard on Ethereum and FXERC20 on Polygon, offering strong interoperability, scalability, and low-cost transactions. This multi-chain architecture enables secure transfers, transparent rewards distribution, and decentralized governance across the NASLab ecosystem. Token circulation sales 8%, 0% in unlock at Tigi 6 months. Cliff Liner visiting over 24 hours month, 24 months marketing 3.5%, 8.33% unlock at Tigi no cliff liner visiting over 12 months. Treasury 10%, 0% unlock at Tigi 24 months. Cliff Liner visiting over 60 months. Liquidity 4%, 4.17% unlock at Tigi no Cliff Liner visiting over 24 months. Partner 5%, 0% unlock at Tigi 12 months. Cliff Liner visiting over 36 months. Team 20%, 0% unlock at uh, Tigi 18 months. Cliff Liner visiting over 48 months. Advisor 4%, 0% unlock at Tigi 12 months. Cliff Liner visiting over 36 months. Ecosystem 20%, 1.67% unlock at Tigi no Cliff Liner visiting over 60 months. Community 24 5 percentage, 0%. Unlock at Tiggy 9 months club liner visiting over 60 months. Okay, guys, thank you. Like, share, and follow. Okay, guys, everyone, thank you. Just reminder the trading market for this currency may experience significant efficient pollutions due to the technical, legal, regulatory, and other factors. Please thoroughly understand the project details and conduct sufficient market research before participating. Yet cannot guarantee that the currency will be listed on the exchange. The final listing status will depend on various factors and the official listing announcement shall reveal. By participating in the project you can accept our airdrop terms and conditions. Okay, guys, thank you everyone who joined the live stream and also follow me. Like, share, and follow my stream. Okay, guys, holder airdrop tab 1 hours 18 minutes 5 seconds ago 25666 read. Okay, guys, about holder airdrop. What is the holder airdrop? Holder airdrop an exclusive free airdrop event for GT token holders. Users only need to hold a certain amount of GT to share airdrop tokens based on their holdings proportion. Okay, guys. Claim free airdrop. What are the requirements to participate in the holder airdrop? Participants must complete identity verifications and hold at least 1 GT. 3. 3 question. What is the GT holdings participations limit? GT holdings participation की लिमिट कितनी है? Oh, guys, answer the GT holding participations limit may vary for each project. The specific limit will be clearly stated in each project's airdrop announcement. 4. 4 question. How are airdrop tokens distributed? Once you participate in the event, the system will begin tracking your GT holdings from the start of the project. It will take multiply random snapshots every hour and calculative let the early average. Your final reward depends on your average holdings throughout the entire event. If your average holdings are below 1 GT, you will not be eligible for any rewards. The number of tokens a user ultimately receives. User average hourly holdings during the event. All participations total average hourly holdings during the event. X total airdrop amount 5. Can one participation state participate in multiply holder airdrop? Yes, as long as you hold in her GT at each project's snapshot time and meet the participations environments, you can participate in multiply holder airdrop. 6. Will definitely receive tokens if participate. Users holding at least 1 GT can 100% receive the airdrop provided they maintain at least 1 GT at the snapshot time. 7. How can one check my airdrop tokens? Rewards will be calculated and distributed within 1 hour after the project ends. You can check team anytime under unholded airdrop history. 8. What should I do if I haven't have not received my airdrop tokens? If you did not receive airdrop tokens, please first check if you made the participation and criteria and confirm your GD holdings at the snapshot time. If the issue persists, please contact customer support. 9. How to get airdrop bonuses. Participate in projects with the airdrop bonus label and hold GT in simple unfixed term during the event, and you will receive airdrop bonuses for your valid GT holdings. Note that if your standard holdings have already reached the staking cap, no airdrop bonuses will be awarded. 10. Do VIP users have any benefits in hodler airdrop? For projects with the VIP label, a user participation cap increases with their VIP tier, with top tier VIP enjoying no cap at all. Airdrop rewards are allocated in proportion to users' GT holdings. 11. Can institutions or sub accounts participate in the holder airdrop? Currently, institutions and sub accounts are not eligible. Only main Only main accounts can participate in the holder airdrop. Related articles: how the participate in get holders airdrop. Okay guys, thank you. Okay guys, thank you everyone. Like, share and follow my stream. Explore the future of information economy. What what is information economy? The information economy refers to the economic activity that is driven by the creation, distributions, and use of information and knowledge. In the information economy, knowledge and information are considered valuable assets that can be used to create wealth and drive economic growth. The value of tokens and blockchain. Tokens can function as a versatile. ज्वाइन करने का आप लोगों का गाइस बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। Thank you. Okay, guys. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Like, share, and follow my stream. The value of tokens and blockchain. The tokens can function as a versatile medium of exchange, enabling individual, individuals and organizations alike to seamlessly purchase and vend goods and services around information economy. Furthermore, they can be harnessed as a powerful incentive to promote desirable behaviors such as participating in communities or completing tasks. In addition, tokens can also best, bestow exclusive access to digital commodities such as subscriptions-based connected content, which in turn unlocks new rewards streams for content creation and distributions. In the grand scheme of things, tokens have the potential to revolutionize how to information is exchanged and valued within an information economy. To that end, to that end, Lab is devoted to exploring, securing, and developing its merit of use assets across both existing and novel services and platform business area and strategies. Our study discovers the latest developments and innovation in the crypto industry, media and community portfolio management, social trading, the portal, learn more, token, the new connections, Nest token, the Nest token is a cryptocurrency that has been purposefully engineered to foster the formation of new connections within the information economy while simultaneously offering distinctive reward system that in, incentivize users can stakeholders to partake more actively. Thank you, get user collaborate and contribute to the success of the platform. CGRP Content Growth Reward Pool. NestLab operates the Content Growth Rewards Pool CG CGP, RP, fusion of Fate and Nest token to champion the int- advance of the crypto community. Most the irritated and interesting members, the CGRP in service incentives, the production of exceptional original content that through skillful management of the CGRP, Nestle endeavors to inspire uh, creators to craft informative and additional materials relatedly, ultimately contributing to a more enlightened and lucrative investment landscape. CGRP contents revenue. Okay, everyone, my project time is over. So take care. We will meet to my next project. Okay, guys. Thank you, everyone. थैंक यू मुझे ज्वाइन करने का और वेलकम माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। मुझे मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम में आने के लिए आपको लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। ओके गाइस, सो टेक केयर, वी विल मीट टुमारो इन माय नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट। ओके गाइस, थैंक यू, अल्लाह हाफिज़।